Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about lights that are flickering in your house, and it could be a little disturbing, annoying for sure, especially if it's in a spot that you're working at, having this strobe-like effect that you get from some lights, and going to go through all the various reasons why this could be happening and how to fix it. So the first thing is, you could have a light bulb that is loose. If it's a lamp type of light that's flickering, or a chandelier or something like that where there's a screw-in light bulb, I would say first try to screw the light bulb in and then see if that fixes the problem. Okay? If it doesn't fix the problem, try replacing the light bulb and try a new light bulb. If the new light bulb is also flickering, then you know it's not the light bulb. Okay, so then you move on from there. Now the other thing is if it is a screw-in type light bulb, it'll go into here, right? I'm not sure if the light's going to get inside, but the bottom of the light bulb here is going to make contact with a piece that's sticking up down here. And sometimes that piece gets pushed in a little bit too far and it's not making a good contact, and if it's barely making contact, you could get a flicker. So with the power off, you want to reach in and pull that back out a little bit, so that way it makes stronger contact with the bottom of the bulb. Okay, so there's that. The next thing is that, so if that's the case and that fixes it, great. You're going to work your way backwards now. If it is a lamp, you can then now try plugging that lamp in to another outlet. Okay, especially one on a different circuit in a different room, because you're going to figure out then, okay, if it's still flickering on a different circuit in another room, now you know it's got something to do with the wiring inside the lamp, if we're talking about a lamp. If we're talking about a light that's in the ceiling, then what you want to do is next go to the switch. So again, with the power off, you can take the switch cover off, pull the switch out a little bit, and make sure all of the wires are tightened down properly, because you're going to find that by the time you get to the switch, you will likely have found the issue. The other thing I want to talk to you about is the switch. So sometimes switches go bad, and inside the switch there's a spring that feels tight on a new switch. Over time that spring gets loose, and you can tell it doesn't snap, and it feels a little spongy in there. And if that's the case, then try replacing the light switch, especially using a cheap light switch like this. It's like $1. Try replacing the light switch and see if that fixes your problem. And if it doesn't fix your problem, then again, we're working our way back. Maybe it's something to do on the circuit at your breaker panel. Maybe you've got a loose wire at your breaker. But if you can get that lamp, if it's a lamp again, to work in another outlet on the same circuit, then you know it's got more to do with the switch or the outlet that you're plugging into. Again, not just a switch, but also an outlet if you're plugging into an outlet. Okay, now let's talk about recessed lights, because that'll happen too. You may have recessed lights, you may have a couple of them. If only one of them is flickering, then you probably have a wiring issue with that one light, and you'd have to, again, with the power off, take it down, check the wiring, tighten everything, make sure everything has got a solid connection. You will also get a flicker if the light is on a dimmer, any kind of light, even a lamp. If anything's on a dimmer switch, you might get a flicker, especially if you have a dimmer operating an LED bulb that are not compatible with one another. So first, you could have a dimmer that is not compatible with the light bulb. You could have a light bulb that's not made for being used on a dimmer. And so what happens with the dimmer is it sends pulses out, and if it's not properly calibrated with the bulb, you could see the flickering, which you're not supposed to see. If you've got these fluorescent tubes, like in this garage up on the ceiling, I've got some of those long fluorescent tubes that go into the fixture with the ballast up on the ceiling. Over time, they'll start to flicker, and you may have experienced that too. That just means that the bulb is at the end of its life, and your really only option with that one is to change the bulb and put a new one in. If you have tried all of these things and you still have flickering lights, then just discuss it in the comments below and I will respond back to you. Please hit that like button for me if this was informative for you. Appreciate you very much, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.